the more I push on my journey, I realize one crucial thing that is holding us back. It's either you're not doing the right thing, you don't know the right thing, or fear is stopping you. It's one of those three things. Because think about it. If you know the right thing and you do the right thing and you act, whether you're feeling that fear or not, on a consistent time frame, the results are going to come. So today I want you to ask yourself, do I know the right thing? Am I doing the right thing? Or am I letting fear stopping me from doing what I know is the right thing and what I should do? And you have to ask yourself that question, because it's one of them is stopping you from getting to the next level. And even if you're making some profits now, one of them is stopping you from hitting that next level that you want to go to. So today I want you to ask yourself that question. Which one of those is stopping me from getting to the next level? And then we start to take action on that specific one. So whether it's, if we don't think we know the right thing or think we need to know some more, then we start to seek out mentorships or persons who have the knowledge, persons who we see at a higher level than us. We say, okay, clearly they are doing something that is working. And we're talking for the people that are doing truthful stuff now, not about the scammers. We don't care about those. But we're talking about the people who are at a higher level than us. They must be doing something right, why it's working. Or they know something that is more, I would say, more efficient than we to be getting those results. And then when we get that now, we have to apply it. We have to apply it, so we can't get the knowledge now and then we just don't do anything. No, we have to apply it consistently and let it work for us. Because they have the right information, we are taking it that they have the right information, and now we have to do it consistently, day in, day out, day in, day out. And now we have to let fear not stopping us from taking those actions, because you can know the right thing and then you do the right thing, but then that little voice coming in your head that maybe it's because this and maybe it's because this, and all those fears and negative beliefs around money, around trading, all of that stop you from doing what you know is right. So you see that it's gonna be always tied to one of those things, either knowledge, either your ability to do it, or your fear stopping you from doing it. So as I said, today is that day you're gonna ask yourself that question and write it down and ponder which one of them that is holding me back. And you're gonna get your answer, and then we start working on that one. And then once you get that now, take things to the next level, because now you have a pinpoint reference on where you should start working on to get to that next level. And that is where you want to go, to that next level. It's almost coming to the end of the year, so we want to get in our bag. We want to hit that level of consistency in trading that we can pull off our money and consistent profits from the market, those consistent withdrawals. But to get to that level, we have to know which issue is holding us back and then work on fixing that. So remember, break down your trading into your knowing, your doing, and seeing fear, and pinpoint which one is holding you back. Fix that one, and I promise you, I'm going to see you at that next level, because we never stop grinding, we never stop growing. We always looking to go to that next level. And if it is knowing is a problem and fear, I can help you with that, because I can help you with one-on-one, show you my strategy and how I approach the market. Simple, man. Simple how we break it down and dissect the charts after 5 years of experience. So if you're one of those persons, remember, click the link in the description or the pinned comments. And if it is the fear now, that is where my ultimate trading psychology guide comes in. That is where it comes in. 5 years of experience of knowing transformation, victory jar, the trading mindset fantasy game, all those original things that I created that has helped me to fix my mindset, because we don't feel no type of fear when we're taking trades over here at Team Code Mancha. We just see our trades and take them. But I can say that now, after fighting, nobody in the world, no trader in the world was more fearful than I am. And now I can say I take trades like, if I take a loss, because I know that consistently over time I'll be okay. So, and we can say that now after doing those things, applying those strategies. So remember, grab a copy of the Trading Psychology Guide, the Ultimate Trading Psychology Guide, and the price is $47. And remember, you might say $47 for an ebook. Remember, if you lost $47 on a trade, you already paid for the ebook, and you still don't know what's in it. You still didn't get the strategies to help you fix your mindset. And if you're going to lose 47 on the next trade, you're going to pay for it again, and you're still not going to know what to do. So just pay for that, grab a copy and collect it, and you're going to know the strategies now to help you with the mindset, so you can do the right thing that you know you're supposed to do. Yes, so and if you're one of those persons who want to step into the Code Mansion, remember, I'm looking forward to see you on the winning Team Code Mansion, because really, is there another option?